Hello everyone. This is our project. It is a robot arm which consists of different actuators attached to different joints. Here I am demonstrating some of its function and how it could be controlled easily. Mainly the idea is to make a robot which needs a not such tough calculation and programming to make the robot do what we want. Here we have make a robot arm which could learn any motion and more reliable and does not need any other human interference. Here I am demonstrating some function such as making tea. This is just a prototype, so we are still working on it to do more advanced things so that everyone can have equal time for their own instead of doing laborious works.
Thank you for your attention.